Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart at Lindemann Elementary School here in Allen Park, Michigan. I've done all three elementaries now, Arno, Benny, and now Lindemann, home of the Lions. Very moving day, just an awesome day with all the youth here. Got to speak to grades K through 5, two separate programs around the themes of kindness, respect, leadership, that we need to show more kindness, as leaders, to include people, whether they're born differently, come from a whole different background, that we still see them as human beings before anything else, just like the shirt says, and we treat them all like they are full, beautiful miracles, like the M on all of our hands, M for miracle with the lines on our hand, and then upside down W for worthy. That it's so important that we show that type of compassion, just the same that you would show to your best friend, to your brother, your sister, your neighbor. You treat them with that same level of respect, because those acts of kindness can sometimes heal hearts, change a life forever, potentially save a life. And the students really got that. Some were very moved, to the point of tears, especially when we showed a video of a man with no arms, no legs. But the whole idea and the whole concept was that, yes, there are people out there like that, but they are still people. And so, yes, it's up for any one of us to still see them for their heart before anything, right? The heart is big as the fist, but if we let love and compassion and kindness enter fully into our hearts, we can turn that into this. And that's by how we treat people. We treat them the same way that we want to be treated. This other really cool story from one of the students today, he broke down in front of me, but he just said, I was bullied all of last year, Mr. Peace, but someone stood up for me, and now I'm happy. That act of kindness just transformed him, and now what's so awesome about it is that he's taken it upon himself, because he knows how it felt to be alone and kind of without any friends, and this one person that stood up for him and had the courage to do that, he's making it his job now to do the same. And all of us can do that. All of us can really go and spread that. A lot of teachers came up to me after the presentation, just said, this was one of the best assemblies we've ever seen, but it really, really moved us. And thank you so much. That it wasn't just for the students, it was for the older adults as well. That kindness is for everybody, and we have to keep spreading that, not only here within our school community, but the entire city and beyond. This whole planet needs it. In a world where you can be anything, we need to choose to be kind. So thanks again for touching my heart. Hope to be back again soon to share with you guys. You guys are all beautiful. Never forget that. And we'll see you soon. Peace.